Hi, creative team. Welcome to Ellie's Creative Corner. Thank you so much to those who have subscribed, and to those who haven't, please do subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified of any of my upcoming videos. And today, as you can see, we've made this lovely looking pumpkin soup, and it's quick and easy with a few ingredients. So as you can see, I try to cut open the pumpkin, and then once that is done, you can cut it up into sizable portions and then scoop out your seeds. So you can see the pumpkin is cleaned, and so now you can just cut it up and peel the skin off. Please try and use a sharp knife when trying to take the peel off the pumpkin. So yeah, you can see we have finished with the cutting, and so we put into our pan 1 tablespoon of oil, just swirling it around to make sure that it's evenly coated at the base. And to that I add some onions and ginger. And then I add the pumpkin that we have chopped up. Cover and let it simmer for a while. And you can see the pumpkin is beginning to cook. So it's best to now add carrots, but you can also add it right from the start when you're adding the pumpkin. And then we add our bay leaf. The bay leaf is just for added flavor, and so you can omit it if you want or use rosemary, but for this recipe I prefer to use bay leaf. And then we add some chicken stock. If you do not have the chicken stock liquid, you can add chicken stock powder, about 1 tablespoon, and add about 1 liter of water. But I already had the chicken stock liquid, so I just added it. You can find it in the shops or you can make it yourself. And then cover it and let it boil. So what I did was I covered it and let it boil, and then once it cooled a bit, I blended it all up so it was in the same pot. So it's just 1 pot meal, and so you do not need too many pots to do this. So it's served nicely, and you can see it looks really delicious and tasty. And so please subscribe to my channel, Ellie's Creative Corner. Thank you so much for watching.